How to manifest anything you want in 24 hours. Intriguing title, right? Who wouldn't want to learn how to manifest anything you want in under 24 hours? It's a bold statement. But the truth is, and according to the law of attraction gurus, this is a true statement. You can manifest anything you want in 24 hours, but the thing is, nearly all of us stop ourselves from being able to do it. What is stopping most of us? Let's cover it. 1. You don't believe it. Belief is one of the most powerful things that humans have, and also the most difficult to change. It's so difficult, that it's almost better to find ways around your belief than it is to try to change it. And because you more than likely don't believe that it is just as easy to create a mansion as a button, then that's what's true, that's the reality that you create. Frustrating, right? We have been taught, trained and conditioned to believe that money is scarce, that you have to work really, really hard for a lot of money and that money doesn't grow on trees, etc. What's another reason why it's difficult? 2. Resistant thoughts, feelings. Even if you were to totally believe that you could have anything you wanted within 24 hours, any other resistant thoughts and feelings that you had would lower your vibration, thereby keeping you from the manifestation too. Understanding the law of attraction isn't like getting a college degree and then once you have it forevermore. You are constantly sending out a vibrational frequency in every millisecond, and if that frequency is not high enough to match whatever you want, you won't receive it. You could think a negative thought about anything else and it would mess up your vibration. For example, if someone cuts you off in traffic and you got angry, you pinch the flow of what you want that was coming to you. Or, if your boss says something that gets you upset, you stop the flow again. This is why it's so important to determine that you're either going to just love everyone regardless, or not think about anything or anyone who could make you feel bad. Feeling is everything. Don't let others interfere. 3. Doubt. I don't see it, I don't see it. Where is it? What's taking so long? The moment that you ask this question, you stop what was coming to you. You can't get rain when you're complaining about the drought. You can't get anything you want when you are stuck in the question, in that place where you are complaining. Remember, we live in a yes-based universe. Whatever you focus on, you get. Want more war? Then shout no to it. Want more hatred? Then shout no to hate. What can you do instead? March for peace, not against war. March for love, not for no more hatred. This is why so many political movements fail so miserably today. They are too focused on what they don't want, instead of what they do want. If they only taught us the truth of how the universe works in school, the world would be a much happier place. But don't worry about that either. You create your own reality. You don't have to try to fix the world. And you can create peace on earth if you refuse to give oxygen to the fire of hate and instead focus on peace. Same with your manifestations. When you doubt it, you stop it. Now that you know what not to do, what can you do? Discover the great secret to attract anything in your life: success, business, entrepreneur, money, love in 24 hours. For more manifestation support, please check out the tools page, digital workshops, and courses to help you navigate the manifestation process faster in 24 hours. Free training, link in the description below this video.